Hello everyone, I'm Aisha and you are tuned into the 608 episode of our Here and Now podcast. Today, we bring you the latest buzz from the insurance industry, so let's dive right in. Our first story today from the Economic Times Wealth is about an interesting development affecting Indians living abroad. Many of them are now returning to India for medical treatment. Why? Well, there are a few simple reasons. First, it is much cheaper. For example, a surgery that might cost a lot of money in a country like the United States can be done for a fraction of that price here. But it is not just about saving money. Many people find that they can get a doctor's appointment much faster in India. They don't have to wait for weeks or months. Plus, being close to family while they recover makes them feel better. Because so many people are doing this, insurance companies in India have created special health plans just for them. These plans are affordable and give them peace of mind. If they visit India and get sick, their insurance will cover the cost. It is also a smart move for those who plan to return to India for good in the future. By buying a policy now, they can avoid long waiting periods when they move back. Next up, we have some wonderfully inclusive news from the health insurance sector, reported by the Times of India. Traditional Indian treatments like Ayurveda, Yoga and Homeopathy, also known as Ayush, more and more people are now using their health insurance to pay for these treatments. This big change happened because the government's insurance rules changed last year. The new rules say that insurance companies must cover Ayush treatments the same way they cover regular allopathic treatments. This has been great news for many. For example, one big insurance company said that the number of people using Ayush treatments went up by 45% in just 6 months. People are finding these treatments helpful for long-term health problems like diabetes. But it is always a good idea to double-check with your insurance company what is covered before you start treatment. Moving on to a story from Money Control. The government is thinking about a new rule that would force airlines to give you back up to 80% of your money if you have to cancel a flight ticket at the last minute. This is great news for travelers, but it also has a big effect on travel insurance. Right now, many people buy travel insurance mainly to cover the cost of a cancelled flight. But if the airline is already giving you most of your money back, you might not need that part of the insurance anymore. So, what does this mean for travel insurance policies? Insurance companies might start offering cheaper plans since the biggest risk, the cost of the ticket, is now much lower. The focus could shift from cancellation to other important things like medical emergencies during your trip, lost baggage, or flight delays. We might see new types of travel insurance that are more focused on protecting you from problems that happen during your holiday rather than problems that happen before you even leave. In short, this could make travel insurance cheaper and more focused on real travel emergencies. And for our final story today from Business Standard, PhonePe has partnered with HDFC Ergo to launch a special health plan called Suraksha Sankalp for Bharat. It costs Rs 12 per day, which is about the same as a cup of tea. You can just open the PhonePe app on your phone, find the plan and buy it in a few minutes. This is making health insurance accessible to millions of people who need it the most, helping them and their families feel safe and protected. And with that, we conclude today's episode. We hope you found these news updates helpful and insightful. As always, our podcast Here and Now will continue to bring you more such insurance updates. Until then, take care, goodbye, and have a great week ahead.